Now next practice set 12 is we have to find HCF. HCF we will be finding using factorization method. Very first thing we will be doing is to factorize both the numbers or numbers given in the sums. First is 2540. Now 25 and 40. Here 25, so 25 is divisible by 5, 5 5s are 5 1s are. Therefore factors of 25 is 5 into 5. Okay, now 40 is divisible by 2, 2 20s are, then 2 10s are, then 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. These are factors of 40. Now for HCF it is compulsory to have common factor. Now common here in both of these number is 5. I am circling it 5. So therefore HCF of 25 and 40 is 5. Done. So this much we have to do. We have already learned how to factorize particular number. So we will find HCF using factorization method, and from that within these two number what we have to see, we have to see the common factor. Now common factor here is 5, so we are taking 5. Only one time we will write. We are circling to 5 doesn't mean we have to write 5 2 times. No. So we have to write 5 only one time. Next is 56. 56 is divisible by 2. 2 28s are. 28 is again divisible by 2. 2 14s are. Then 2 7s are. And 7 is prime number, so 7 1s are. Since 1 has came, so we will stop. 32 can be divisible by 2 again. 2 16s are, then 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Lastly, let us write down factors. 56, we have to write these numbers, so 2 2 2 7. And 32. Now what are common factors? 2, these two are common. Next 2 is common, and one more 2 is common. Basically 3 2s are there, so 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We have to multiply and not add, because many times what silly mistake kids do is they add. No, we have to multiply. Again I am telling you, there are 3 2s common in these two numbers. That's why we are writing just 3 2s. Don't write 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 thinking this. Don't write it 6 times. No, we have to write only thrice. Next 40, 60 and 57. Yes, so 40, 2 20s are, again like first sum, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 5 1s are. Next is 60. 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. Now you have to draw this line using pencil and ruler. Last is 75. Smallest number will be 3. 3 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Now let us write factors of all these three. Now we have to check for common factors which should be there in all these three numbers. Not only in 2 but in all these three. So what is common in all these three? There are 2 in these two numbers, but 2 is not a factor of 75. What we can see which is common in all these three is 5. So I am writing here 5. Hence HCF of 40, 60 and 75 is 5. Let's move ahead. Now note down your homework sums. Sum number 4, 6 and 8 are your homework sums. So fourth sum is for homework. Coming on to fifth one, 18. 18 factorization. 2 nines are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are. Then 32, again we have done this factorization of 32 in previous sum. 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. Lastly 48, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Now let us write down the factors. How much is 18? 2 into 3 into 3. 32. 40. Now among these two, which is common? What number is common? We can see 2. So I am circling 2. Next number 3 is not there. 3 is common in 18 and 48 but not in 32. So we won't do that. Okay, so only 2 is common, therefore HCF is 2. Next, 6 sum is again for homework. Let's move with 7th one. 2 21s are, 3 7s are, 7 1s are. 45. 3 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 1s are. Lastly 48. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay, let's write down factors. In this one again, common, what we can see common factor is 3. Therefore HCF is 3. Now 2 is common for 42 and 48 but not for 45. So we won't consider it because for HCF in all three it should be common. Sum number 8 is again for homework. Let's move to sum number 9, 56. 2 28s are, 2 14s are, 2 7s are, 7 1s are. then 57. 3 19s are 19 ones are. Now we can see we are done with factorization. Let's write it here. Now we can see that nothing is common between these two. Nothing is common between 56 and 57. When nothing is common, then HCF is always 1. Remember that. Last sum of this practice set, sum number 10. Obviously 7 7 7. We might be thinking of dividing it with 7. So let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not, because obviously it is not divisible by 2. 7 7 14, 14 plus 7 21. Yes, so we are dividing it with 3 first. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 9s are 27. 259. 259. When we divide 250, now see, 259 is not divisible by 3, neither by 5, because the unit place is not 5 or 0. Let's check with 7. 259 divided by 7. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So 7 37s are, and 37 itself is a prime number, so 37 ones are. Next, 315. It is not divisible by 2 clearly, so we will take next number, that is 3. 3 plus 4 5, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. So yes, it is divisible by 3. And this is how we can divide. I have already shown you. 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15. 105. What usually kids make mistake is they do 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now this is wrong, because 3 15s are is 45. 3 into 105 is 350. Make sure to take this one down and put a 0 and then move ahead. Okay, so it is 105. Again it is divisible by 3. So I am dividing it here again. 3 3s are 9, 35. So 3 35s. 35 is 5 7s are 7 1s are. Next is 588. Clearly it is divisible by 2. 2 29s are 58, 2 4s are 8. 294 divided by 2. Let's check. 2 4s are 8. 147. So 2 147s are. 147 is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Then again 3 7s are and 7 1s are. Now let us write down the factors. Here HCF, again what is common in all these three? What I can spot is 7 and 3. 3 multiplied by 7. So 3 sevens are 21 is your HCF for this number. Thank you.